We're stepping into a new era, a time where the job title you have today might not even exist in 5 years. But here's the flip side. The limits that used to hold you back won't exist either. AI isn't here to destroy everything we've built. It is here to reveal what was already weak and to shine a spotlight on what is truly valuable. People say AI is taking jobs. You hear it everywhere, but that's not the full story. AI is taking the predictable jobs, the repetitive jobs, the copy and paste jobs, the ones built on patterns, not on passion. Think about it. Data entry, basic content writing, customer service scripts, repetitive coding, simple design tasks. These are the things being automated, optimized, and generated in seconds. But as one world shrinks, another is expanding right before our eyes. AI is creating a wave of brand new roles designed for thinkers, creators, and builders. And here's the truth most people never hear. The fastest growing careers right now are careers that didn't even exist 3 years ago. Let's look at some of these new titles. AI workflow designer, prompt engineer, automation strategist, AI content curator, AI ethics reviewer, digital avatar operator, virtual identity designer, AI personal efficiency coach, algorithmic storyteller, human-machine creative director. These aren't just jobs. They are new lanes, new paths, entirely new realities. I didn't kill opportunity. It multiplied it. But here's the part nobody really wants to accept. AI doesn't replace people. AI replaces people who refuse to grow. Your true value isn't in repetition. It's not in doing the same task over and over. Your value is in your judgment, your vision, your creativity, your direction. AI is the machine. You are the meaning. There is a powerful idea to remember. The future doesn't belong to who works the hardest. It belongs to who works the smartest with the newest tools. If you learn how to use AI, you won't be replaced. You'll be promoted into the future. But if you ignore it, you'll fall behind without even realizing it happened. So the question we should be asking isn't, will AI take my job? The real, more important question is, will I evolve fast enough to create a new one? Because the future isn't built by machines. It's built by humans who know how to use them. This is a massive shift, and navigating it requires a new mindset. It's about seeing AI not as a competitor, but as a collaborator. A tool that can amplify your skills and free you up to focus on what humans do best: strategic thinking, emotional intelligence, and complex problem solving. Imagine an architect using AI to generate hundreds of initial designs in minutes, freeing them up to refine the perfect one. Or a doctor using an AI to analyze medical data, allowing them more time to connect with their patients. The key is to start learning now. Don't wait until your role feels threatened. Be proactive. Take online courses in prompt engineering. Play with AI image generators. Learn how automation tools can streamline your personal workflow. Experiment, fail, learn, repeat. Every small step you take today builds your foundation for tomorrow. This isn't about becoming a programmer or a data scientist unless you want to. It's about becoming AI literate. It's about understanding the language of these new tools so you can guide them effectively. Your industry expertise combined with AI proficiency is an unstoppable combination. You become the bridge between human intention and machine execution. The future of work is a partnership. It's a dance between human creativity and artificial intelligence. The most successful people in the next decade will be the ones who master this dance. They will be the ones who aren't just consumers of AI, but orchestrators of it. So let's reframe our perspective. This isn't an ending, it's a beginning. It's a chance to redefine what work means. To build careers that are more fulfilling, more creative, and more impactful than ever before. The tools are here. The opportunity is here. The only thing left to do is to step up and claim it. Evolve with the technology, and you won't just survive, you'll thrive. Thank you for watching. If this resonated with you, like, subscribe, and let's build the future together.